Welcome back. This is Liz with Arvada and Broomfield Vacuum. So we have a great selection of different varieties of cleaning supplies, so we can really be your one-stop cleaning shop. One of my favorite brands we deal with is a company called Nellie's. They're a company from Canada. They have a full assortment of different cleaning supplies, but they actually started with laundry detergent. Nellie's was a real lady. She made her own laundry detergent, and her son started producing it for selling around a decade ago and has continued to expand their line. So I'm going to touch on the laundry soda today. So Nellie's is great stuff. It is ultra concentrated. You actually only need a tablespoon per load. It is HE safe. It works in top loading and front loading. So that's all the more you need of that. Just put that right in with your clothes. It doesn't leave any of the buildup. It cleans out really, rinses out really clean. And it does a beautiful job and to leave clothes feeling soft. It doesn't leave the buildup in the clothing. They also have a really great product called a Wow Stick, and it is for getting stains out of clothing. So some things that I've learned with this particular product is you wet the stain, you rub this little stick on it, and then you stick it back, the stain back under the water and agitate it to work in the product. I have used it on all sorts of different types of stains, including stuff that has actually been through the dryer and have gone through and gotten the stains back out with it. It's a great little product. It's simple, it's all natural, and it's super easy to use. So this is just a little power combo. Nellie's is also really affordable. So in their smaller pouches, it's like 27 cents a load. They have 200 and 500 loads that are approximately 25 cents a load. So it's something that is very economical, it's very green, it ships in a powder so that I'm not having to ship a lot of liquid, and it does a beautiful job, and it's gentle on my skin, and I don't have heavy yucky perfumes. So stop on in today, give it a try. We have lots of other great cleaning supplies here as well. We'll see you soon. Bye.